All right, let's talk about our weather and bring in First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley, although right now he has Kentucky dialed up.
Yeah, so we've been watching kind of what's happening. We know that sometimes that weather can reach us. We're even talking about the wildfires and some of that smoke and haze, which we know that sometimes can push our way too.
Yeah, that was one of the things I was checking for. I said, these fires are large enough. Where's that smoke going to? It doesn't look like it's going to have any impact on us. Should stay down to the south because, well, you can see where the rain is. This is where the jet stream is, and most of the time that smoke is going to stay kind of between the jet streams. One of the reasons for that fast air really dilutes the smoke. So any smoke, any haze should stay down to our south, at least over the next couple of days. Unfortunately, because of where the jet stream is right now, it also means there's going to be another day where we're going to be looking at stormy conditions down into parts of Kentucky, over into Missouri as well. These are areas, again, right along I-70 that have really been slammed with the rain over the last week, a little bit over a week now. And they do have a chance for some severe weather again today. Now, some of that's going to come from this cell right there. Doesn't look like much. There is a severe thunderstorm warning being issued off of this up into parts of Illinois at this point. That's going to be heading our way as well, and will give us a chance for some severe weather also. Now, most of your day is going to be dry. In fact, I have us dry up until about 3 o'clock. After that, we have a rain and a storm chance that will start to move in. Could be as late as around 5 or 6 o'clock as well. Just to let you know, I probably have it in a little bit early, but still there will be that chance for some rain and storms. Now, a lot of this could be just a lot of lightning, frequent lightning, also some downpours in each one of these cells, but we'll also have the potential. You can see it right here. You see how that storm dives down to the south, where we could have some really strong wind speeds as well, and that would be what, if we see any severe weather, it would be because of strong winds is the big concern at this point. Hey, high temperatures today should be right at around the 80-degree mark, just depending on how much rain you see. If you're heading out to Latrobe, maybe for practice for the Steelers, we're looking at a high temperature right at around 80 degrees again. 77 for the start time of practice today. That's at 1:55 if you're curious about that. If you're heading out that way, here's the good news. Your allergy report, most things are in the low range, moderate for grass and mold, but mold most of the year has been in the high range. And also your UV number coming in at 9. Make sure you're protecting your skin, the kid's skin, from the sun. Burn time is as little as 10 to 15 minutes today. Hey, today, crazy enough, it's August 1. Here's a look at what we saw in July for our stats. 3.69 inches of rain, slightly below, just over half an inch below when it comes to rain. And our average temperature is just about a degree above average, and just one 90-degree day recorded for the month, interesting enough. So just one was added. I believe we're now at 4 for the year. Here's your 7-day, 81, your Tuesday high, and then we get hot again, 89, flirting with the 90-degree mark on Wednesday, 86 on Thursday, and a Friday high of 84. Both Thursday and Friday, very warm air mass in place, but the rain likely keeps us into the mid-80s. Then we're back to near 90 Saturday and Sunday.